Success Engineering Official. Today we are going to continue with our draw toolbar command. So in the draw toolbar command, the next command is arc command. So the shortcut keys for the arc command is A. So there are so many options given here. You can see here, if you click here this drop down button, you can see the first one is 3 point, second one is center, start center end, and third one is a start center angle, then start center length, then start and end angle. So many options are given here in this arc command. So we will see one by one each option. So first one is, so before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well if you still not yet subscribe my channel. So please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can, whenever I upload the video, you will directly get the notification of that video. So let us start now. So first command is 3 point. So simple click on this command. You can click, and 3 point is required to draw that command. So first point, you can see here is there are 3 points. So first point, second point, and this is the third point. You can draw like this, okay? Or the shortcut keys for that command is, our command is A. So simple press A, and then you can see here the all the commands which is starting from the A letters is showing here, okay? So first one is arc. Simple press A and enter, okay? Then you can see here this R specify the first point of the arc or center, okay? So this is the first point, and second point, and third point, okay? Simple press A. So here there is no option is showing here. So simply go to this arc command, select this one, first one. So 3 points. So first point, second point, and third point. Okay, so this is how here you going to use the first one. The first command is 3 point command, okay? The next one is simply click here, start, center, end. So if you take your cursor here, you can see this example, start, center, and end. So 3 point is required, a start point, center point, and end point to use this command. So simply click here, and you can see here this is the start point, and this is the center point, and this is the end point. So 3 point is already here. So I am going to use this option. So simply click start, and this is the center, and this is the end, okay? So this is how we are going to use this command. So simply erase this and go to the next option. So simply click here and see the next option. So next option is a start, center, angle. So you can see the example below here. So simply click this one, start, 3 point, 2 point, and 1 angle is required. So first one is start, second one is center, and angle is required. So simply specify the angle. So I am going to press 30 degree. So this is arc is drawn at a distance of 30 degree. See, this is how we are going to how we are using this command. So simply select and erase this one, and go for the next command. So next command is start, center, and length. So 2 point and 1 length is required to draw this option. So to use this command. So simple click this, okay? Start, center, and length. Start, center, and length, okay? So this is the start point, and this is the center point, and length is required. So for the length, you simply click here. So this much is length. So simply enter the 96. Simply measure the length between two lines and enter this, okay? So this is how we are using this command, okay? Simply erase this and go for the next one. So simply click here, and the next command is start and angle. So all these commands are mostly similar. So this is the fourth or fifth one is start, end, and angle. So 2 point and 1 angle is required. So I am going to use this one, start and angle. So start, this is the start point, end point, and angle is required. So I am going to put the angle is 120 degree. See, so this is how we are using this command. Okay, simply erase this and go for the next one. Simply click here and start and direction. So 2 point is required and direction is required, so simply click this one, and this is your start point and this is end point, and direction is required. See, if you are taking your cursor to this direction, right side, it is drawn here. If you taking your cursor this side, it is drawn here. So start end and direction. Okay, again use this one, start end and direction. We need to take this command. So start and direction, start and direction. Okay, so this is how we are using this command. Simply erase this one. Press select and erase it. Okay, the next command is start and radius. So start and radius, so 2 point and 1 radius is required. So simply click here, this is your start point and this is your end point, and radius is required. So radius should be 50 mm. Okay, so this is how we are using. Most of the command are similar, but the different parameter is required to draw these commands. So simply select this one and erase it. Okay, now go for the next one. So next one is center start end. Okay, so this command is start from the center. So this is your center point, this is your start point, and this is your end point. So it's drawn same, but the parameter is starting point is different. So simply select this one, erase this, and the next one is center start angle. Okay, so this is your center start and then angle. So angle is going to put the angle 30. Okay, erase this and again click this one, center start and angle is, now I'm taking 45, so it's drawn at an angle of 45. Okay, so this is how we are using these commands. Okay, the next one is center start and length. Okay, so center, this is your center point, this is your start point, and the length is required. This is your length. Okay, and the last one is continuous. So this is your continuous. Okay, you can continue like this. So I think you guys learn this command. So R command and different option you can see here with example. So please keep I think you guys learn something from this video. So please keep watching my video, and please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I uploading the video you will get directly notification of that videos, because I am making a lot of videos related to different topics. So please keep watching my video and be with me, and please do subscribing, share, like and comment my videos. Please share with your friends also, so that they can get the benefit of my videos. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.